Hi everyone, this is Chef Rohan from France, and today we're gonna make a garam masala trout. You have seen that I have a very beautiful trout here, and we will smoke it on the Pit Boss Navigator 850. Um, the first step is to make a rub paste, and for that you will need the recipe, and all the ingredients are in the description, okay? But you will need some garlic cloves, some ginger, some salt, some cloves, some peppers, hot peppers, cayenne pepper, garam masala powder, curry powder, turmeric, and onions, the juice of one lemon. I use the juice of one lime, okay? Some ground cilantro, some fresh parsley, some coconut milk, and tomato paste. Okay. First thing to do is to put all the ingredients of the paste in my food processor and process. So I slice the meat of the fish because I will put some lime slices inside the meat. But before that, I will first rub the meat, the whole fish, and the inside of the fish with the garam masala paste. I will try to keep at least 1/4 of a cup of garam masala paste because I will need it for the sauce in the last part of the recipe. And now I will fill the inside of the fish with some flat parsley, okay? Now I will wrap the fish in aluminum foil and let it sit in the fridge for maybe 2 hours. So now, after 2 hours of marinating, I will slice the lime. So I set the temperature of the Navigator 850 to 120 Celsius degrees, which is about 250 Fahrenheit. So let's go. While the fish is cooking, we will prepare the sauce. It's really easy to do. Just take a pound of passata. It's a tomato puree, a half pound of coconut milk, and 1/4 of a cup of the garam masala paste that we prepared before for the rub. We will mix everything in the pan. Let's heat for maybe 1 hour, 1 hour and a half. Let it reduce at low low temperature. So let's go. Et voilà. So I hope you appreciate this video. Thank you for watching and see you soon.